the game of presence practice in nature is one of my favorite places to play. Because as I bring my attention into the room, into the space, just notice what else is here. And there's just something so, the word natural makes sense, but natural, just human in nature. Yeah, it's where humans are meant to be. We're an extension of nature in a lot of ways. And whether that's just taking my shoes off and putting my feet in the dirt, or getting in the sun, or fresh breeze, or being at the beach, in the water, or on a hiking trail, sitting under a tree. And just hearing the noises, hearing the birds, even the plane in the distance, the wind. There's a coherence that I more easily fall into when I'm in nature, a synergy, harmony. It feels accessible outside of nature, but maybe sometimes it just takes longer to get to. There's also, like, when I talk about vibration or life force or connecting, it's kind of like a language or a series of languages. Listening to the wind or connecting with a tree. It's not like a voice. It comes in English, but it's the sound, the feeling, the stillness, the movement. It has a texture. It has its own language. Same with animals, right? Animals, yeah, they can make noise and sound. I live next to a horse. I do that a lot. But it's, the language is in their movement. How they're standing, how they're moving, what are they communicating? So yeah, there's this series of languages that each plant, animal, element, life has. And the more I spend time in nature, the more I pick up subtleties. The more I just see how fast certain things grow. How do they respond in different times of year? How does the temperature change my experience of the environment? And it's coming into playing the game of presence of, can I feel? It's a felt series of languages in a way. I have to feel the grass, the wind, in order to know it more deeply. There's also a sense of when I open myself to feel, when I sense into spirit and the vibration, immediately the sense is just like, oh yeah, that was already there. I'm just tuning into something that was already there, opening to it. It's like opening the door and sunshine comes in. Sunshine was already there. But then if I stay long enough, it's almost like it starts to just flow directly through me. Like the wind just blows right through me. I become translucent. Yeah, and again, there's just this like, oh yeah, I'm an extension of this living organism called the earth. My body is a part of that. And that's where that sense of interconnectedness comes in, the sense of there's a care that comes with it. I care about things far greater when I'm connected to them, when I'm open to them, to their life force. And then there's this sense of beauty that arises. It's kind of where the idea of the cosmos comes in, or the ancient Greeks, the way I understand it, at least the ancient Greeks differentiated the word cosmos from universe in that the cosmos held an inherent beauty, that in the very structure of reality, there's a beauty that emanates if we open ourselves to it. And I feel that when I'm in nature and I open myself to it, or just when I'm present, when I'm really present, I'm open to the moment as it is, there's a beauty that a lens that I start to see through. And then every bird, fly, grasshopper, every noise, it all becomes a part of that beauty. It's not like the plane flying overhead becomes a distraction or becomes I'll wait for this to pass type of noise. It's like, oh, that's a part of the symphony. Yeah, and I come in and out of this place. Sometimes I'm nowhere near this beauty. Sometimes I'm hot, disheveled, I want water. Sometimes it's, like in this moment, very accessible. Let's get a little quick view of where I am. We'll keep going. Little rest spot. All right.